Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. These are size large. And this is it here. It's kind of like a swimsuit pants kind of thing. So that's the back of it. It says, designed in Germany, made in China. Okay, so this is what it looks like here. It's got made of like kind of that dry wicking kind of stuff there. It's a little, got that there. Could be good like running shorts or swimming shorts or something like that. Let's go ahead and try them on and see how they fit. Got size large. I'm about 180 something pounds, so these will be slightly large on me, but we will try them out nonetheless. Let me aim you guys down over here since this is where I can fit. So here we go. So this is what it looks like here. I'm wearing underwear under it. It's got a little zipper pockets here, so that is good. So if I put something in there, I could fit. This is huge. This is way bigger than any phone, but it fits right in there. I could zip it up. Got lots of space in there, which is nice. Totally comfortable here. Nice, comfortable shorts. They got the little reflective side on it here. It says speed run. So I guess these are for speed running. So that'll be good as I get back into my running and stuff. They're just comfortable and I like them a lot. So they're good. They don't necessarily have an inner area there, so you'll want to wear underwear or else you'll just be free hanging. But these are good. I'm about 180 pounds or so and about 5'10" to give you an idea of how they fit. This one here is the large. Probably could have gotten away with the medium, but you get the idea. It looks nice and it has the strings here, so I can always cinch them up if I need to. I like it. Thumbs up.